Mr. Roshnikumar Yambem, so I would like to request our sir to please come up and deliver us the speech.
Sir, very good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
program Mng Sc personality Kumar, Mapon Kardadi, Kengazaga, Saga, what is Sanagra, Sana Kaw, the I was again Piggy, Tamo, Zeta. Also to see Yamna, Piggy, Manipur Musamoida, Yam Danavigoba, Piggy, Adumba, Nazuba, Aduga, 5 positions, Adum, Vilita, Yamazan, Little, Adumba, Piggy, Yambam. Lawan parti jale ida, aku itu parti jom le expand to untuk pergi tahu kanda, tahun nak parti mujale di nak tanya hai ta. Awak kanda wari sana ni no, imphal ada transfer tahu le no. Tahu le apa hai ta le no. Awak musik saya lah, aku itu Teqnet Foundation apa, lagi ada apa nama mu Polynari, ada semuanya pergi si bahasa mu Polynari na, mu lagi kan siapa mai. Ada kalau na pergi Ozai hari ini, hek wakanda usi research and development itu yang udah, misalnya means itu yang udah, itu ada juga ya. Kalau apa hek kurang posisi, saya terang apa posisi, misalnya means ini, apa ini ozai kesosi, ozai soal, yang saya apa ini entrepreneurship di dalam sedati, misalnya posu means na silapa program sih nak kena hai tarik posu jauh ini. Atau ya tempat itu boleh ni. Uji pun yang lain, aku stakeholder memang, aduh saya terang antara tepi muanda, so itu yang kami lain ni. Aku juga mesti jauh je. Aduh, orang itu nak masih program sih semuanya sendiri sih yang mengai. Aduh lah, business design and knowledge base startup hai juga as a practitioner of the business talk. Aku dia interesting juga. Wahai hai lagi. Business design or what is in Haida, I want to see topics that attract those. Last 20 years, I know you put a program opposite tenere, Masida EDCM, business management, Haiba, entrepreneurship development, EDP, Gaiba, management development program, I will be a bit tenere Haida. Otherwise, I never have come across something like business design. Otherwise, business design say, I do business saya tarang betul kan kenapa topik angkat ni ada lagi lagi. Adunan nasi Manipur University dah semuanya boleh minta semuanya memang sambil simba. Or simba program itu business design yang hai kan sudah, itu dia intrigue boleh how the program might have delivered, kamai delivered topik no have to be kamai. Tahu. Ado, ayam ujar betul. Ayam tu kamsaja. Tahu. Masanya punya business aku yang boleh aku startup kerjasama puluh dan stakeholder memang puluh number berkanda. So far, I personally peminat wali sahaja Manipur businessman jadi single trade wali sahaja itu. Si memang wali sahaja pun dah aku itu tengah kira isu mahai kan juga. We never had thought about how to design our business. Aku suka kelak itu. Business yang idea le yang tu hobi macam over somewhere on the lambi lusung journey tu lah kan somewhere lamang nak pergi dah tahu kan lagi ay tarik kerana tahu mungkin. Jika itu no na yang pun tanda punya business si hongor tanda punya design tak dia. So you just imagine lagi human sangat kalau design siapa orang tu nak misteri kalau human siapa itu. Si human je kamai kalau tak digis. Kau anything any product kau. Develop sahaja harus human charge any phone or mobile phone charge we have to design first. Then after that we have to build or develop. Aduna aku nak build or develop the wise itu design anda kata. Awak nak ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯥꯔꯀꯤꯇꯦꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯥꯔꯀꯤꯇꯦꯛꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ 50,000 ꯂꯥꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯁꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ? That is the design. Once we have the design du taanaba ay yum ji saatine ta. So aduna akhona kai hai any problem akhona life the build to modam da step ahum le hai. The first thing is you have to think. Khamlo ay yum du ko taan udom hai ta hai mo. Udom ko ma hore uthor ya hote hai ta ko. First I have to think. Second, it has to be on the paper. Third, it has to be on the reality. That is what. Now, design hai your part se kai no hai tanda the step where that is the second step. Ai pok the lem badagi chel taraga reality du su pondri budi maze. It is the bridge between your thought and the reality. Now, second part si kai the depend tawge hai tanda akoigi business se kamai design tawge hai sa. It depends on the purpose. Ai business se apna howrisi purpose tam lai amoma de ba. So according to that goal of the business, ai entrepreneur mo howrisi reason and the purpose se matuna ai design amoma na ba. Da koi Nagaland da sa yunga da Chingthar da sa yunga imphal da Delhi da sa yunga Mumbai da sa yunga Japan sa yunga amade. Why? They have different purposes. No. Just like that, akoi businessman hai targasu, entrepreneur hai targasu, we all have different agenda of running our business. So first, business story we know kara akoi kai business to kanda magi just for livelihood to what business me am lai to magi no magi jara tanaba kona re hingba kalwar wala kambu ma. Second, you guys see a lifestyle of maintain the jip car to Mona, Purata, Sana, Mona, Kambu's lake. Kanam Kamu Karna, I did a business here, besides to Sinaramaga, Amu, Sakari, Kapakai, Tana, the Luxo, Matola, like the word Naga, Honaba, simply on the Hagon. Then Kanam Karna, I did rental business, no say could move rental or Kanda, I don't form the little back or Rapana, do purpose to now, I like that. Another life from home Hagon. Then some business karna magi legacy would get on Haigama. Then certain business karna I IPO Galaga, I stake asi ha, yung Fuga, I valuation the Tamaga, Aduga Asia Sasu Bible, then Asia business, they talk about Aduga Asia to hang. Residual income level. Objective number one. So according to that particular objective you have to design your business. Saya the kakak tu ada hak sana bukan ada pada provider say dari company LLP adu ada yang wajib. Now provider si tahu haji. There is no strict rule like that. Provider the only thing is that what is your goal? If you have to raise funds from the venture capitals, equity fundings, then in the future you want to exit your company. Ultimately, we need private limited company. But it doesn't make much sense to become a private limited company. I provide that. So aduna India ko manipur university ko registration makan manga ni leise to now adu ta ke dui manga thong no manga thong ni si no as per your goals si manga si karam vehicle no ko kan shi adu ma pho aduna ka sai ka na step ta apna ai si provider to na phawra ai company to phawra LLP to phawra we can ask apna what is your goals. Kay human say kun business or what you want. Kay mo punish. Other than that, purpose we have to settle on the receive positive. I think. Other than that, this all comes under the what we call business design. Is in the half of it. Other than business design, doesn't talk about it. Don't I talk about that? I goals na. Kasi may shareholder ka tawge na kanbang. Aduga somna na ay business na provider na tawga foreign mi ta da phan lo ya da chapal le ta adu ta ki ma ki goal do ma design ta hongram ni na asai apoi adum thoeta apoi lekai da le bo mystery ama ni ga pul la ga ka ko yum cha ba le ya ni apoi architect ka yaw to ka yaw to adu ko yum ji sa lo kan le kan thang nai ta nungai ji thawat nai ta ai si khang si kai no ai yum je ko bong sa ka mai sa ge ta ko Aula sai star ki machine dari hoga lane dari plate dari very kena hai ta ko ya de adu mushakil se na su architect to to uri su na ho ka su bi su kamai ne yang phajana sin ni ga is me tamala am ne adu na sai akoi business to ma ta chum da business to ne to to na to ai sai ho dai ja sin knowledge se khalat ti adu sai ta ang ka wa to ang khani hai ta adu ka la ko su redesign to ni hai ta to hang ji to ho jam ni na uno ko su redesign to ni Globiz ya ko aduna sigi sumba topic ma smaina na si apoi 2 days ki program mo ina apoi sida tobiro se sida ni amna tehani apoi na ga sum kham ta ba sei tre pa ta le ran kham ko knowledge sam ko smaina na si ha mo na Manipur da Manipur di ai ha mo re business design se am ta ma pam ta da ai no hau di na ta thena ji hai ta ko aw sum program ma smaina simbi mo se yang mai aduga makha ta so any other program apoi silapura we are always ready to be involved ko yes na ma hai lo nai le ni ji wa ai ka ha ga te tham se
We almost missed such a wonderful speech from such a talented and insightful person. So thank you so much, Sir Roshnikumar.